Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Creative Bobby and I'm here with a logo design, and more specifically a logo design that was a request left by a commenter known as Apprentice Otaku. Hope you enjoy. In episode 2 of the League Maker series, I asked a question in the comments asking what other fictional cities would you like to see get a team and in what sport? Apprentice Otaku replied with Pallet Town and table tennis. Now, before I can design a logo for the world-renowned table tennis team of Pallet Town itself needed an identity, a logo. So I wanted to start on that before I directly responded with a logo for Apprentice Otaku. Now, Pallet Town is the first setting of the Pokemon anime and video game series. It's the hometown of the protagonist, Ash, and his rival's hometown in the games and anime. This town's Pokemon Lab also is where Professor Oak resides. Pallet Town appears in Pokemon Red and Blue, Pokemon Yellow, and it's one of the signature cities in the series. Therefore, I wanted to, when I was designing the logo, I wanted to use the references of the Pokemon games. So I've done this before with Viridian City, my logo for Viridian City, where you can see the Pokeball being used there within the V and the C. So with Pallet Town, I definitely wanted to use the Pokeball, but also manipulate it to where it's kind of specific to Pallet Town. So I actually used actual, pallets, how you put things on pallets, use that as an inspiration partially. So the base shape, I started with the circles, with the circle and then the circle on the inside to mimic a Pokeball. But then within that, I wanted to make little pallets that you could see. So I actually drew out the lines after I drew out the circles, and then actually used divide objects below to kind of cut chunks out of the thicker lines to make makeshift pallets. So I have the pallets there within the circle, and then I wanted to go with kind of a sunshine type thing on top, because the Pokeball is that color on top and the white on bottom. So I used the bottom for the pallets, and then the top I used some triangles to make it seem like that was like the sunshine on top, because I felt like I needed something on top. And then a lot of cities kind of use, sunshine and kind of scenery to kind of make their municipal brand pop. So once I got the circles, and then once I got the sun rays, if you will, then I add the text. So I had the city of Pallet Town, and then I actually used, also for inspiration, I used the actual Japanese version of the city that I found on the Pokemon Wikipedia to go at the bottom. So that completed the city design, the city brand. And then once I had the city brand, then I kind of knew what I wanted to do for the table tennis. And for the table tennis, I focused in on the racket, like the little table tennis, the racket that is used in the sport, and kind of took the centerpiece of the city's branding and kind of manipulated that to where it fit with the table tennis team. So I used the city's branding first, and then used the city's branding to build that out into the brand for the table tennis team. And here you are. So if you have an idea for a fiction city type logo that you would like for me to design, or any kind of logo that you'd like for me to put my spin on, feel free to hit me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.